Hey everybody, just doing my quick weekly analysis. I kind of do this for myself, but I hope it helps others as well. I like doing this video on a Sunday night because I'm pretty objective and I'm not really, that emotionally attached to the market. I'm kind of just looking at it from an outside perspective, um, thinking about what could happen. So, one possible thing that could happen for tomorrow is, we can come back down to 220, which I think we can still stay bullish if we can hold that 220 level. If we can really bounce off 220 and bounce right up to like 221, I think we can easily continue higher as long as the way that the market acts at that 220 level is good. Um, Another case is we find support at the 222.5 level. I find that to be a little bit less likely, as that would be like a complete. Uh, that'd be a very bullish event, as we'd be completely like breaking out of this channel we're in right here. So if we're holding above 222.5, that's really bullish. Below this 218.5 is very bearish. Below 220 is slightly, not fully bearish. I'd start wanting to get into positions around like right when we were breaking 220 with like a quick $1 stop. And what I mean by getting into positions is like maybe even shorting like an um, Apple or AMD or something that is actually moving in unison with the QQQ. You have to check first. Uh, so under 220, I start getting bearish, and over 220, I'm gonna stay bullish. Over 222.5 is very bullish. It basically means that most of the selling that occurred over the past few days has been bought up, and we're out of that price range. So those are the two things I'm watching for on the QQQ. As for the S&P 500, I am watching for a break over 288.44 or 288.5 just about, for a potential major breakout to 292.2. As you can see, the SPY here has been very bullish. You can look at this candle right here. There was a lot of selling here, but it was all bought up. I was just double checking that wick right here that I saw on the SPY. So I guess that's close to accurate. Sometimes wicks are they can be inaccurate. I really don't feel like that wick went that low, but I guess it could have. So regardless, there was a long wick on the bottom here and a lot of buying, so that's very bullish. And then you had that continuation. So basically, that's a very bullish day Thursday, and then Friday, the market tried selling off, but it was bought back up. So as long as we can, if we can break over this 286.3 level and we can hold over that, then we're in a bullish pattern. Even if we come down a bit before we break above it again, anything above this level is bullish. Below this level is bearish. So I'd be watching for this level and this level. They're the most significant levels here. So that's what I'm watching for this week. The path of least resistance seems to be up right now, but if we break under that, things are going to be changing. So that's it for my weekly analysis. I guess the only other two things I'd be watching for is Apple to break over 310 or to break under 300. Those are two crucial points. I'm going to be watching for Amazon to hold 2400 as well. That's pretty important. So if you have any other stocks you want me to go over, or if you like the video, feel free to like it.